Oh, I got chat and everything over here. What's up, guys? Rug, what's up, dude? I didn't even mean to click go live, but we're live now. Daniel, what's up, dude? Are you at home? We're checking out the new build. So, have you seen the new build? Did I send you a picture yet, Daniel? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm messing with the. So I got some alerts and stuff going. So if we get some subscribers, some submarinos, that camera. How's it going? Yo, what's up, Captain? That camera. What's up? What's up with the camera? Currently working through some settings. I don't think I can do it when it's open though. Oh yeah, I can. I'm gonna take the brightness down a little bit. Yeah, so I've been working on upping the quality for the stream. So my camera bat are just out of focus. It's not out. Hold on. I'm messing with it. What are we doing today? We are hanging out for the pre-workout stream. I just have to edit the thumbnail. This is for the gaming PC. Yeah, we're just testing stream quality right now. So tell me how the stream quality is. We're just hanging out. AMA. I need to change the title quality ASAP here. So I think it looks better if I reduced or increased contrast a little bit. There. Saturation. I think this is like as real as it gets. Oh, we got subs. Am I gonna rap? No, I'm not gonna rap. Here, let me resize. Check out the muscle quality. Hold on. Can you see? Got to get the shadows in there. Got that bicep vein. All right. Looks like a nice hat. Stream quality seems smoother. Let me up the quality even more. Hotkeys, video output. Oh, I can't actually change it real time. It's locked. Yeah, I've gotten fancy. Well, we're messing with some stream settings, so. Daniel, I'm going to send you a picture. Hold on. Bring down the gain on my mic. All right. What about now? Is this better? I really need to change everything. Hold on. I'm just going to send Daniel a pic. What phone do I use? This is a V20. It's a piece of crap. I'm pretty sure there's planned obsolescence with it, and what basically planned obsolescence is basically it's designed to expire. So I've had this phone for 2 years, and at the same time, 2 years is like the payment plan for the phone, and now my phone battery's dying, and like, can I even run Minesweeper? Yeah, the stream is dope. Yeah, we're getting good here. So we can see the dono train. We'll kind of pick a strategic pick, like that strategic Discord placement on that one video. I don't know if anyone noticed. There was one comment. How long did this take to set up the machine? I worked on this until 3:45 in the morning, and it wasn't working. And I woke up at 6. And it still wasn't working. And so I took it to PC Laptops, and I was like, yo guys, I've built computers before, but I don't know what I'm doing. So they helped me out with it. We got 32 viewers. What's up, 32 viewers? Let me change everything. We're going to do Python later today. Still have to edit 2 videos. I haven't gotten around to doing that yet, but we're going to get to it. I'm also streaming at 30 FPS. I'd like to stream at 60. I don't know how to do that yet. Mic's a little loud. All right. What about now? Oh, okay. All right. I see I can change my output. I'll do that next time. What was wrong with it? You guys don't want to know what was wrong with it. It was because mainly, have you seen the Lambda Guys video? No. Basically, the gain knob on my mic. All right. I'm not sure if it works. Clickbait. Wow. Okay. Well, we're testing out the stream quality, so whatever. Did move away from the mic. All right. Here we go. I'm just going to put it over here. Normally the mic is too quiet. All right, turning the gain down. Is that better? Did I try to turn it off? I was missing. Yo, what's up, Shirley? Welcome aboard. So right now I'm streaming at 720, so the stream is a little fuzzy. I'm just testing out all these different settings. So if someone, oh, I gotta move the tip jar. There you go. Do ASMR, now I'm a pass. So maybe it was a problem with my input for the other computer because nothing's changed really. John Wolf, what's up, dude? Welcome. Welcome aboard. I need to change the thumbnail like ASAP. CPU usage is currently sitting at 6.7%. Much better voice quality. Good, I'm glad. I'm pretty sure it had something to do with this other computer back here. $33 people. We're doing the so let's see. Save. The stream is a little bit delayed. I'm not sure how delayed though. Threadripper. Yeah, so we can it's a Threadripper 1950X. Game tester. What's up, dude? I got chat in 2 places. So we're going to do some Python a little bit later today. I'm just doing a pre-workout stream. Greetings from Estonia. Hello, hello. Estonian is like difficult, you know. Oh, look, the stream health has been green this entire time. So there has to be something going on. Holy crap. See, he just subscribed. We got a notification. Thanks, man. Patrick video is crazy. That's because Patrick is crazy. Current CPU temp. It's a couple seconds late. I can change that. Give me a moment. Actually, I can't change it midstream. Hyped for the new machine? Yeah, I'm super hyped because I downloaded all of the Adobe stuff. What is the cup on the right-hand side? Armin, send me $1 and find out. Come on, you've been on Twitch. You know what it is. That's the donation cup. So if you donate, over, like, there's different, there's more delay than the old system. That's a YouTube setting. I set it for normal delay, like Twitch delay. I can change it. I've just been playing around with resolution, so I'm only streaming at whatever. So quality is insane right now. Yeah, so I forgot to plug in. I forgot to. Yeah, I forgot to plug in stuff from my power supply unit into the motherboard, because in my other computer, yeah. So the delay is YouTube. It's not from here. It'd take me like 2 days to get to 14K to 15K. I think one of my videos hit the algorithm. Oh, I need to look at how dusty my other stuff was. Look, it's crazy. You scheduled an interview in Utah, but you couldn't take it. Well, that's not... So the problem with that is they're supposed to pay for that stuff, man. If you're paying for an interview, that sounds like a scam. It's like paying to have an internship. Am I streaming to Twitch too? No, not right now. Just to YouTube. So, got my YouTube alerts going. So when people subscribe or whatever. You can stream with both, but let me adjust the video a little more. Donation train. So that's the donation train from last time. Well, I don't know why the thing didn't update though. Hold on. We should have gotten a different GIF. Do I like C#? It's okay. Alert box should be different. C# is okay for, go to widget settings. Oh, what? Armand, I'm sorry. It should have been a different, it should have been a different one. What math should you learn to become a software developer? Depends. Am I a gamer? Yeah, I like gaming. Math to become a software developer, I would say you need to know linear algebra and statistics. You know why? You know why JavaScript developers need glasses? It's because they can't see sharp. It feels good to have a computer that's not a potato. What are my machine specs? Right now I have a 1080 in SLI, or two 1080s in SLI, 64 gigabytes of RAM, a 1950X Threadripper. Yeah, and then I have a one terabyte solid state, and then I have a 4 terabyte HDD and this 1 terabyte external, which I thought was like, I'm never gonna fill up a 1 terabyte, and now I'm like constantly deleting stuff. I got multiple monitors because that will improve video quality. I do have multiple monitors. I have 3 monitors. Failing statistics. Yeah, statistics you learn in college and statistics you use at work are different. Maybe probability is more likely what you'll use. I put it together. Yeah, I'm using it right now. I have a video. I have the video stored here. It's not the best. It's not the best video, but I have a 4 terabyte. I have a 4 terabyte hard drive and a 1 terabyte solid state. Why is Python so awesome? Why learn it? So I did a few videos on it. Matt, let me tell you why. It's because it has utility. You can do web development. You can do machine learning. You can do AI. You can do desktop application. I know you can do that with JavaScript. I get it. Show us how I edit videos. Let's work out together. I gotta hit those shoulders more often. Oh, you're telling me, dude, I work on shoulders a lot. They're my weak point. Got to get those boulder shoulders. Why not Mac? I don't know. I think they're overpriced. I think the hardware is not great. I think you're paying for Unix. You're paying for units, and Python is more secure than JavaScript. I think that's subjective. Depends on what you do. Is learning Ruby as your first language a good idea? No, don't do that. Yeah, you want to see some Premiere Pro? I mean, we could do that. It'd just be a little bit boring. We could try. I could stream and edit at the same time, but I have to upload the video. 67 people here? Dang. Shoulders are the legs of the upper body. Yeah, shoulders, lats, and traps. And biceps, right? Actually, everything. Why not Linux? You could go with Linux. There's just a lot more, in general, there's a lot more stuff compatible with Windows. The hardware is very good. I think you can get better performing hardware on a computer for cheaper. What's wrong with Linux, Unix? I didn't say there's anything wrong with Linux or Unix. I just say that there's a lot more support for Windows applications. And I do more than just code. And so because I do that, then this Windows is better. Shoulders are the glutes of the upper body. Yeah. You applied for an applied mechanics job. Chat box. Let's raise the chat box up. Lamabash, what's up? PHP or Python? I'm gonna say Python 100%. So like on Linux, you there's not a lot of video editing software, right? So I do more than just code. Maybe if I just coded, Linux would be good. I think the 2015 MacBooks are good, but like I don't like the fact that they took away your USBs. They took away they just take away stuff and then force you to use their proprietary hardware. It's annoying. Stream on Twitch. It's hard to move an audience from one place to another. How am I managing to put out so much content on the YouTube? Am I taking a step back from work full time? No, I still work full time. I just work on weekends. I work on weekends. I work on weekdays. I do everything. You're donating plasma right now? Is my girlfriend the one taking your, is she the one sticking you? Because she's a phlebotomist. Is being able to read and write important if you want to be a software developer? I'm not. Are you trolling? I'm not going to take that bait. Yeah, everything's soldered onto a Mac. There's a lot more games also supported. Can't believe that the quality of audio is so good. You can code in a virtual machine. Yeah, I mean, that's what I would do. I would just grab CentOS, put that on a VM, boom, done. Ahmed, what's up? I don't think he's here. So the subscribers that you see that are joining are actually, they're just anyone from subscribing. Why would I install Windows on a Mac? Do you think it's important to be able to code if you want to be a software engineer? That's a better question. Am I gonna do a collab with other dev creators on YouTube? Dude, you just started coding because of me. Well, keep it up. Don't give up when you hit that first wall. It's coming, but then don't give up. It's my favorite pre-workout. I don't know. I have my own pre-workout. Right now, this is Mr. Hyde or whatever because I've been up. I don't know. Just say F max. No, I mean they have their use cases. Depends on what you want to do. I think that I should sit down here with like the machine. Do you guys want to see the machine? Here you go. There's the machine. So I just pull open. So this is 32 gigs of RAM. This is 32 gigs of RAM. Here is a 1080 amp. This is almost like a TI. This is another 1080. And then on the back are my hard drives mounted. It's pretty sweet though. If you turn it from the side, you can see the inside of the cooler is like the Matrix. I know for you people, I'm trying to like shield some of the light so you can see the RAM. Yeah, this is two 1080s. So you can see 1080. This doesn't say 1080 on it, but that cable management, it's because the case is so small though. It's tiny. It's like literally it's look at this one over there. See, that one's huge and disgusting compared to this tiny little one. So, have you thinking about liquid cooling it? This is liquid cooling, my dude. Right here. This is a liquid cooler straight to the CPU. It goes up there. There's fans up there. Why do I have two 1080s? Because I already had a 1080 and I got another 1080 donated, so that's why. Yep. Wow, the dust. Let's not talk about that. That's like Tales from tech support over there. Well, I have an SLI, or I have SLI, and then I have a G-Sync monitor. So, was the liquid cooled hard to install? I followed the instructions wrong, and I ended up unmounting the CPU from the motherboard just after I slid it in and like put the perfect pressure on it. I took the whole thing off the motherboard. The backplate fell off. I had to put them back together. It's terrible. And so I thought I like scratched the CPU, and then I was like, "This is game over." But I didn't. Ketchup and mustard cables. I didn't have a choice. It's actually an RGB. It's an RGB power supply unit, but you can't see it because it's flipped over. So I don't know why it was RGB. Like, it's very quiet though. Actually, it's supposed to have RGB fans on the front, but I'm not going to touch the cable management anymore. But mainly, I installed the CPU, and then on top of that, I grabbed. So people can't see their names. Y'all name's too long. Yeah, I mean, I know. It's AMD or Intel, so I've been an Intel fanboy for a while, but since this was a 1950X AMD Threadripper, I'm not going to complain because I didn't pay for it. Actually, I mean, so in this computer back here, I have a i7 2600K. Any opinion on inbound marketing, studying a free course, internship when you're finished? Yeah, marketing is key. So it doesn't matter. You can have the best product in the world, but distribution is key because you need eyes on. You need eyes on your product. That's what gets sales. If you can't drive eyes to a product, you don't get sales. So marketing is key. I don't know about inbound though. I would just say marketing in general. Digital marketing especially. Knowing how to use Facebook Pixel to track people's browsing habits so that you can adjust your store. You relish that I use ketchup mustard cables? I didn't have a choice. Got to do better on the cable management. You should see the other side of it. But the problem is I don't have anywhere to put the cables. Like, it's a tiny little case. Not my proudest moment. RPA, are we talking about crypto? Wow, why is Ethereum $357? That sucks. I think it's probably selling at a discount though. Crypto is just taking a dump. Threadripper CPU. Well, I mean, I think it's better for me because I'm editing videos, right? Rendering videos. Doo-doo. What is this game? Oh, it's probably dead. Am I investing in crypto? I've been paid in crypto before. I got paid in Ethereum when Ethereum was $466, and now Ethereum is $340. So that means because I didn't withdraw it, right? So that means what I got paid is now worth like 20% less. But it doesn't matter, right? You gotta hold on to it. Is it possible to use your recording camera as your streaming camera? Yeah. I don't care. Like, as long as it's like I can do what I need to do, put in different hardware if I need. Preferable terminal for Windows. Use Git for Windows. Or Bash for Windows. That's a good one. I'm gonna up the quality next time so it'll be like 1080. Because good cable management is beautiful. I mean, it's not bad cable management. You should have seen it before I took it to the place. It was worse. Ali, hi, welcome. Welcome aboard. Get good. Facts. Those are, I mean, I could, Any game development? What do I think of Unity? Yeah, I've actually developed a game on Unity. If you go back, where's the build video though? Yeah, it's happening. It's definitely happening. That reminds me, I should probably export this data off here. Did I build the PC? I sure did. Then I messed up, so I went to PC laptops because I was like, what did I do wrong? And they helped me out. Am I using Streamlabs? I sure am. Can you share your Behance page? If you want, yeah. So what's the specs? We got 1080s and SLI, AMD 1950X, Corsair, 64 gigabytes of RAM, 3600 megahertz, And then I got 1 terabyte SSD, 4 terabyte HD, and then what else do I got? Oh, liquid cooling with the Kraken. A motherboard, what is it? X399 Strix Gaming. Should you use Facebook ads to SEO your e-commerce website? Yeah, Facebook's really underrated. Did you miss it? Yeah. Well, I'll show it again in a second. Building sites to promote other sites through affiliate marketing. There's so much money to make, and making websites is easy. What I think about it? I think that's a great idea. Connect the buyer to the seller. Is solo game development worth it? Depends. Not really. Can I play Fortnite on it though? Yeah. Am I running NVMe? It's a SATA. What's up with the Finnish flag? Am I from Finland? I lived there. I had a wife and family. Went to school there. Consider the Twitch streaming gap on, like, I don't know. The problem, it's not the problem with the gap. The reason that the gap exists is because it's difficult for people to jump into a stream and have context of whatever that person is doing. What do I use to market my website? I don't. My website's not done yet. No. When I say I had a family, like I had a mother-in-law, brother-in-law, all that stuff. You had a wife? Wait, how old are you? I'm 28 years old. Income wage gap, true or not? I think skill gap, true or not. No one, I mean, there are certain companies that probably care, whatever, but in general, if you can, it doesn't matter what you look like. If you're a girl or a boy, man, woman, purple, green, it doesn't matter. Just get the job done. That's where your wage comes from. The wage gap comes from you not being able to do your job. Like Katie, you guys have seen Katie before, right? She makes a lot more money than me. Okay? So, and we've been doing this the same amount of time because she's just better than me at code. I look 24 max. I think it's because I sound like I'm 15. Got that high-pitched voice. I don't feel 28. Best website to find the most accurate salary. Henry, you got to go to Glassdoor. Am I managing everything on my own? Yeah, I manage everything on my own. I mean, I talk to people in Discord. How do you manage? What do I use to manage personal finance? Katie's a person who's self-taught, yes. Is Overwatch my favorite game? I like WoW, but probably right now Overwatch, yeah. I should move the chat off of my face. Greetings from Argentina. Welcome aboard, everybody. Thank you. Thanks, everybody, for spending your Wednesday afternoon with me. You're 27 when you got your degree. Know that feel. For personal finance, though, let me think. I just use like a Google spreadsheet, to be honest. I know how much I make in general. I know how much my cost of living is, and I try to make the number of how much I make above a lot more than, Thoughts on knowing when you're ready for a promotion. I would say look at the skills that you're doing and then look at like Glassdoor to see, what's my personal record? Bench, deadlift, squats. Bench, I'm not sure. Maybe 240. Deadlift, I lifted 315 4 times yesterday. It felt pretty easy. So maybe I could do 350 once. Greetings from Denmark. Yo, what's up, dude? 2 a.m. in Iran. Man, go to sleep. Current projects I'm working on. Ooh, that's a tough one. I'm working on YouTube. This is my project. Am I taking any other courses besides a Python course on Treehouse? I've been learning Unreal Engine, but mainly it's trying to, work my job, teach, YouTube, stream, work out. That's about it. That takes a lot of time during the day. Edit videos mainly. Editing videos takes like 2-3 hours, but this machine's gonna. Did I used to play Counter-Strike Source? Yeah, I played Counter-Strike Source. What's my webcam? 1080. It's a Logitech HD 1080p. Do I have a fitness channel? No, I don't have a fitness channel. Cause I don't take performance enhancing supplements. So, am I on a cycle? No. How good do you think the Odin project is? I mean, if you want to do Rails, if you're interested in Rails, do the Odin project. No, I haven't messed with the Julia language. Creatine? Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much in like pre-workout. Creatine, beta-alanine, that's citrulline. But you got to get the gains. Yeah, I mean, I'll get the gains without permanently having to take external testosterone for the rest of my life. That's what happens, right? If you take those things, right? If you take those things, then your body stops producing testosterone temporarily, and then when you stop taking it, it comes back, but never to the level that you were before. So, if you do that enough times, it just turns off completely, and you don't produce testosterone anymore as a male, and then you're stuck having to go to a doctor or get that some other way, just so that you can not feel full of estrogen, pretty much. Have I used MATLAB? I had to use it in school. BCAA, yeah. I mean, that's kind of I have like a post powder stuff. Do something like live code front end, how we see the pros do it. I mean, I have a video like that. Don't take stuff that doesn't have long-term studies. It does have long-term studies. You can see the trends on it. I mean, Arnold Schwarzenegger did it, right? He was this huge, famous bodybuilder. He talks about how he used those things, but it wasn't illegal then. It was only made illegal in like 1990, so it's relatively new being illegal. Let's see. Thanks, Brody. Best affordable laptop? That's a tough question. Do you want a Mac? Do you want a PC? Do you want to run a virtual machine? Amino acids? Yeah, I mean, I take branched chain amino acids. Actually, the testosterone, once you turn 30 years old, your testosterone starts going down about 1% every single year, which sucks. Asus, creatine is found in red meat. Yeah, so creatine caps out at 5 grams. Like, if you take more than 5 grams of creatine a day, your body gets saturated and you just pee the rest out. Like, you can't absorb more than 5 grams every day. So, it doesn't matter how big the scoop is. Your body just won't take anymore. Also, creatine converts to DHT, which, if you are already prone to male pattern baldness, that will make you lose your hair faster. Would I like to be as big as The Rock? Nah, maybe like Vintage Genetics. You guys know who Vintage Genetics is? Wesley Vissers? Dude, he's legit. He's like really down to earth, cool bodybuilder. He's my fave. Buy Rich Piana's ebook? I would, except he's not around to sell it anymore. Actually, whenever I go into GNC, I see some of Rich Piana's like I see his supplements and I'm like, who buys this? Arnold was. Well, I got news for you. Anyone on the Olympia stage is. Anyone that says pro bodybuilder is. So it doesn't matter. That's why it's stupid. Everyone's like, just buy my pre-workout and you can be as big as me. It's not how it works. You can pretty much tell. Like when I go to the gym, I can tell 100% who is natty and who is not. It's fairly easy. Favorite metal band? I like a lot of stuff from Sweden. What do I have right now? I've been listening to like Drake's album lately. I was listening to August Burns Red at the gym yesterday. Elian, what's up? ABBA. Yeah, no. We said metal bands, not pop bands. Do I play any instruments? I can play the guitar. I can play a few Metallica songs and Simple Man by memory. But I'd have to look at the tabs. My intros and outros are so trappy. Dude, I love trap music. Trap music is my jam. I don't know if you notice. Literally, if you guys have noticed, I end every single video on a bass drop. Every single thing. What is this thing? This is a glass that I have pre-workout in, and then I'm going to drink this and go to the gym. My dad needs to upload more. My dad is getting this computer, and I'm going to go set it up for him probably this weekend. No, sometime soon. And then I'm one of your favorite YouTubers, dude. You're one of my favorite people that hang out. The dual 1080 rig. Yeah, maybe. It's a cup. You like my exit tunes? Yeah, I love timing. My videos are like all based on music. If I could just make vlog videos, what I really want to do, right, is I want to make like rap videos. Just go to the gym already? Yeah, I will. I've been lacking on content. I don't know if you noticed, but I have 2 videos to make today and a Python stream. So, gonna finish this up at like an hour, go lift, come back, edit my vid, edit another vid, Python stream, then go to sleep, go to work, etc. Why don't I do hypertrophy? I do sometimes. It just, if you're natural, it doesn't, it goes away. You go, you get super pumped in the gym, you leave, you look super flat. Dude, that sounds heavy. Have I ever considered Twitch streaming? Yeah, it's just that when you tell when you tell people to go from YouTube to another website, you're giving them more clicks. And basic UI concepts is the more clicks that you have between locations, the less people are interested. You're getting interviews finally. Nice, dude. Just chain connect some RX 580s and mine Bitcoin. Yeah, so that like it can cancel out with my friggin' electricity bill. I need to get solar panels, then I'll think about it. My favorite TV show? I like Game of Thrones. I like Rick and Morty. Stranger Things. Probably gonna be too late. We'll see. Today's shoulder day, so you guys are talking about shoulders anyways. It only takes me like 45 minutes. Do I look $4,000 better? Dude, Josh, you got a paid web dev internship partially. What about Better Call Saul? I'd rather just watch Breaking Bad. What about anime? Oh, no anime. Josh looks like a The Office kind of guy. Oh, hey, I did finish The Office. I wanna. Can I like donate to you guys in Shroot bucks? How many Shroot dollars? Traps are the new wave. Yeah, that's because they have the most androgen receptors in your body. Traps, shoulders have the most androgen receptors in your body, so those are the things that grow fastest. See, we talk about fitness, everybody leaves. Just want you to know that if you're new to the channel, I just appreciate you lurking. If you're a lurker and you're like, what's up, streamer guy, he's never going to answer my question, I will answer your question. How's growth in the dev industry? Like in Salt Lake City, it's pretty good. You guys should see the chart. It went like this when I started streaming, and now it's just like... I think it's probably the thumbnail. Software development intern interview? Dude, good luck. Streams are not a great way to put out regular content. They're just filler content. So I gotta make some high quality vids here. I just wanted to test out the stream to see if it would lag, but the stream health has been perfect. Can I explain classes in JavaScript? The first time you caught a stream? Well, I mean, normally we're talking about code, or we're learning code, or we're just answering questions, but right now we're testing out this machine that I have here. Usually just ask your questions and skedaddle. Yeah, dude, you were the first one here, and you're still here. And it's been 47 minutes. You can't wrap your head around the arrow function. What are they? Arrow functions aren't a function. It's just a way to write it differently. Literally, instead of typing function, parenthesis, function name, parentheses, and then open and close brackets, you can just do function name equals arrow, parentheses, with your brackets. So it's just a shorter way to write it. Do some game coding in Python. Oh yeah, we could do like coding game maybe. Let's finish the Team Treehouse, and then we gotta do JavaScript. Working at a startup, which is more useful in becoming self-sufficient? You're gonna be self-sufficient working at a startup right away. You're gonna be micromanaged working at a large company. You'll have more resources to ask questions, if that's what you like. But you'll have resources at a startup. I lost my train of thought. DJ, yo, thanks for the Patreon support. I appreciate that. I was gonna send you a message. I got that last night. Go ahead and shoot me everything that you have. I don't know if you already did. It's hard to get a job. I mean, you're not wrong. It's hard to get a job in any case. You guys want to see something cool? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you something super cool. And then I'm gonna let you figure out what I'm gonna do with it. It says, "Hi Josh, I wanted to reach out for you for some roles here at Google. Please schedule a chat with me." It's pretty sweet. I'm 28 years old. Wizards never reveal their age. We got 10 minutes left, and we're going to bounce. Accept it. Obviously, I'll schedule the chat. How did Google find me? They said that they looked at my background. Do the 8 Queens challenge right now? Maybe next Saturday we will. What's the deal with new PC? Do I have a girlfriend? Yeah. I play Overwatch. Might play some Battle for Azeroth if I have time, but I don't have a lot of time as is. Is that how I responded back? Oh, you must be memeing because of the video where I'm like, hey, this looks cool. I think that's what you're doing there. Would I be keen to move to Silicon Valley? Yeah, no. I don't want to pay $4,000 a month. I don't want to pay 50% of my salary to live in a room this size. And it's crowded, and the air quality is not great, and it's crowded, and you know. I mean, I'll do the interview. We'll see what they like. They just said some roles, right? So let's see. You know, I'll probably, to be honest, I'll probably record the interview so that you guys can see what a screening interview of Google looks like. Keep in mind, I have no idea what that looks like. I was gonna surprise you guys with it, but that'd be the first one, first recorded Google interview or screening. I think I would just accept it so that I could put on my resume, I'd put under work experience, interviewed at Google, and then my current job. Oh man, you don't even know how many times I've heard that. Are you finished with 2 N's? When's the interview? I haven't scheduled it yet. She just emailed me that. 8 different guys grilling me? That's fine. Maybe practicing editing code like daily with Python out loud has been helping me. Yeah, I mean, I'd ask her what to prepare for. It seems a little bit strange for her to just randomly reach out. I feel like if I took it and then I bombed it, there's no way I'm ever getting back in, right? They just put you on that blacklist, so they might take it down if you post it. How can they take it down? This is a one-party consent state. If I am part of the interview in Utah, I am legally allowed to record it. So that's the law. So Tech Lead's a meme. He's gonna meme himself into just being a meme, so when he wants to do something serious, it's gonna be hard. Family approached you at the gas pumps today. Dude, people to reapply in a year or two. In a year or two, I'm gonna be doing my own thing so far. How hard is it for people? I mean, do I need to be really good at it? The job needs to prove that they can't hire someone here in the U.S. to do it. So, yeah, that's basically the requirement. So the company has to go and be like, yeah, we couldn't find someone in the States that would take this job that has the same skill level. So we're going to need that visa. And so it costs money for the company to get it, but they're willing to do it, right? Expect a long-term commitment with the company if you do that. How much do you pay for rent? My mortgage is $1,588. You can apply 3 times a year. It's on their website. Well, I can apply 100 times a year. Like, their arbitrary rules don't mean anything to me. Like, it's Google. Like, I'm not like, Google is known for being creative and thinking outside of the box. Why would I follow their box? You know, like, it's Google. They're the innovators of the tech scene. So for you to follow their little rules just seems so counterintuitive. You know, like, I get it's a big company and they have to organize it, but like, if you're above and beyond, just go above and beyond and do it. Like, I don't know. It seems counterintuitive for them to be so corporate and so strict when they're the innovators of the world. Where do I work? You can look on my LinkedIn if you want. Just look at my name. A lot of people won't give you the time of day, right? So is that a 15-year? No, it's a 30-year. So looking to pay it off here pretty soon. If I could just go ahead and get 230,000, then I can, pay that off real quick. With that rent, you can buy a car. Yeah, I mean, but it's all about cost of living and currency evaluation. So we got 4 minutes, 3.5 actually. The best part about having a new computer is like reinstalling all the new stuff and then seeing how much faster it installs, how much snappier everything is. So it's so good. My room just feels cleaner. I don't know. Explorer, what's up, dude? Welcome aboard. I think Google, I don't know. We had one person here in the stream the other night. He worked at Google. He said that I was a motivator for him, and he's like a VP at Google. So if that is true, he said that he's pretty chill. Am I from Sweden? Nah, I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, from the dirty South, so to speak. What did you miss? Let me show you. Let me show you the rig. Here we go. Here's the stream machine. Oh, well, I have all this extra cordage. And then if I go here and look to the side, so that's 64 gigs of RAM. Mismatched GPUs, yeah, I know. But this is the one here. I purchased this 1080. And then this one was donated. So, like, one of these was free. You can't complain, you know? So, it's pretty sweet. That's what you missed. You wanna make babies with it? It's pretty nice. Should you get on to the game dev to get better at coding while you're doing web dev? Game dev is a whole different ball game, man. Because you got to use someone else's engine. You got to learn how that engine's working. You have to do assets. You have to create the models. You have to animate the models. You have to rig the models. That's part of animating. You have to write the triggers to trigger the animations on those models. You need user testing. Like, does this even? It's good to you because you made it, right? Yeah, get some PCI power extensions that are sleeved. Yeah, I know. I need to work on the cable management. Everyone says that. I get it. But, like, I'm just happy that it's working right now. Tina, what's up? Very up and down stream today. All right, I got, like, 1 more minute. Then I'm going to go lift. I'll be back. We'll be back to learn some Python later tonight. Sounds like I've been interested in it. Yeah, if you go back to my previous YouTube videos, I was making a multiplayer game that was kind of like Fortnite before Fortnite Battle Royale was even announced. And I was just a single dev trying to do multiplayer, and that's like a whole thing in itself. Whew. It didn't feel good on the first boot. The first boot, it didn't work, and it gave me an error of 8. And then when you Google the error of 8 on the Q code, it says CPU issue, and I was like, software developer and front-end developer, different from each other? No, they're interchangeable. What time am I streaming Python? Maybe 8, 9 o'clock. Am I into electronics? I'd like to do Arduinos, Raspberry Pis, automated drones, and 3D printing. So 8 o'clock my time. So 4 hours from now. Game dev is everyone's long-term destination. The problem is, it's just hard. You're new here and on the Discord? Well, Shelton, welcome aboard. A lot of game dev is just marketing. Craig, yeah, 11 p.m. 10. Eastern time is 2 hours ahead of me. So 10 o'clock. Do I shoot? I sure do. I live in Utah. Utah is the most firearm-friendly state in the United States. I'm just going to let you see if I seem like the type of person that would own one. Any more Lambda interviews coming up? So we got, tonight I'm editing the Lambda Week 2 video, but I've been building this so I couldn't do it. I already have everything filmed. I just need to edit it, put it together. Don't spend your Patreon dollar. Craig, I already spent it. I spent it. Her name is Candy on free cams. And that dollar gave me a whole minute. I just want you to know that was a good minute. But really, I have to go, guys. So I will be back later tonight. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. And I'll catch you later. So if you want to support the channel, there's a whole bunch of links in the description. I'd be very happy if you did that because this is my goal, as you guys know. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, guys. I'll see you later.